Shifting Gears is an innovative teacher-led program that helps schools build a strong culture of farm safety among young people. Aimed at secondary students aged 15 to 19 and fully aligned with the Australian curriculum, Shifting Gears fits seamlessly into existing programs.
Agriculture is overrepresented in injuries and fatalities, and we're really trying to increase the number of conversations young people are having about farm safety. Teachers, whether they are experienced agricultural teachers or new, can download the resource. The activities correspond to a series of videos. These can be integrated in a classroom, in any order, at any time.
Shifting Gears targeted the teenage group I was looking for, because we go from year 9 right up to year 12, and I found the Shifting Gears resource was actually really relatable for the students to be able to get connected with.
Shifting Gears, I found it was easy to understand. It got to a point.
It changed my perspective on how I work and how I can keep myself and others safe.
Definitely made me more aware and more cautious of working on a farm.
So the Shifting Gears curriculum is designed really well, where it starts from statistics and builds into the hierarchy of control, which is a really good connection for the kids to make.
For me, it's been good because I work as a school-based builder, and it's good to see like the hierarchy of controls and how I can minimise all the risks and stuff at work.
So Shifting Gears for me as a teacher is a really easy way to teach farm safety. Even if you weren't from the agricultural background that I'm from, Shifting Gears would give you that knowledge to be able to teach farm safety confidently.